The Rugrat, a cocktail tribute to Tommy Pickles from Rugrats, the bravest baby in the diaper patch, fearless, curious, armed with a toy screwdriver, completely certain everything will work out fine. Electric blue, tart, sweet, and a little fizzy. A blue curacao lemonade for someone who just climbed out of the playpen and has absolutely no idea what danger is. Let's make it. 7 things. 5 go in the glass. Vodka, blue curacao, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, and a splash of club soda. Blue sugar on the rim, the onesie, and a rock candy stick resting across the glass. Tommy's screwdriver. His whole toolkit, right there. 1.5 ounces of vodka. This is Tommy. Bold, clear, going somewhere even when he doesn't know where. Tito's is the recipe's pick. Smooth, affordable, stays out of the way. Absolute runs a touch softer, Grey Goose a bit cleaner. Keep it simple. The vodka is here to hold everything together, not to show off. 3/4 ounce of blue curacao. This is the onesie, the exact Saturday morning Nickelodeon blue. Bowl's blue curacao is the recipe's pick. Bright orange scented underneath, electric on top. DeKuyper blue is slightly sweeter. Senior and color for more authentic curacao bite with less sugar. No blue curacao. Triple sec with 1 tiny drop of blue food coloring. Angelica would disapprove, but Tommy wouldn't care. 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Fresh only. Bottled falls completely flat next to the curacao. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Equal parts sugar and hot water. Stirred until clear. Cooled before use. Then the soda. A short splash at the very end, poured over the back of a spoon to keep the bubbles alive. Fizzy, tart, and slightly out of control. It always works out fine. Run a lemon wedge around the rim of a rocks glass and dip it in blue sugar. The onesie. Fill with ice. Pour the vodka. Blue curacao. Fresh lemon juice and simple syrup directly over the ice. Stir 10 seconds until chilled. Top with a short splash of club soda. It'll fizz up electric blue. Stand a rock candy stick in the ice, resting against the rim. Tommy's screwdriver. Baby's gotta do. Cool and electric. The lemon cuts the curacao, the vodka holds it together, and the soda never quite settles. Fearless, fizzy, a little out of control. The Rugrat. Baby's gotta do. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.